Burger, you're sorting
Open
your
it.
blanket out.
Oh.
Oh, Burger, you animal.
It feels solid. You've got to play it quite hard in that first stage thing.
That's it.
Well, I might have to get that other rod in.
What the fuck? What are you saying, Rob?
I might have to get that other rod in. There's a tight rod to the left. Shake and go for this one.
Comes into his first Ebro Carp.
Get on that bait. Stay on it.
Yeah, that's funny.
Watch out for that surge.
Fucking jungle down there.
You got those cat ones out to the left, so you got all that water there, so just be careful about there.
You in, Rob?
Huh?
That's his fish down there, look at that, look at it. The tail coming out, the fucking back. It looks like a sturgeon. Look at that sturgeon, eh?
It's got a fucking log drifted downstream or something. That's not
The line's running to the left of that.
I was going to say, that's fucking...
Yeah, you actually thought it was, man.
You need to get amongst it, Rob.
Oh!
Oh,
Yeah, good, is it?
looks fairly big.
Bigger than that low 20 last night anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Handy near the net, he's got payback.
Yeah, let me go into that.
We got him! Sweet! Not yet.
Here you go, starting to wake up a bit there. Still got it away now. It's only going to be about a cap, I reckon. It's not going to be a
Could be a pasty.
Beast of a carp. This is pucker in there.
nod on the rod.
Just let it go loose and let it go crazy to the power. It is a carp.
Rob's into his first cat.
Oh, that'd be a bait. It's gonna be a small cat.
Sweet. Baste it.
Back into it, Rob.
Oh, Rob. Fuck. Oh, sorry. Oh, gotta be a beast in it. Let's get some fucking carp rods out there. Mate, that's a beast. That's a well sweet cat. I don't know if you ever been to a carp.
Sorry, I'm not fucking feeling on camera. There's another rod going.
Pulling hard for a carp.
Yeah, I know, you could. No, it's not a case.
It's a carp, definitely a carp.
Oh no, I mean on the rods down there. You need to tighten your clutch up.
Weed rod.
Yeah, it's sweet having Andy back. I was getting well weeded up when you was gone.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh yeah, Rob getting him back. Could have got you back. Well, we need to get a sling down, don't we? Wait a minute.
That's exactly what I like to hear. No man, this is a beast.
Look at the size of that thing, man.
Ooh, that is a beast.
Let's have a look, lads.
And yours just got quite quick, you know.
Oh, they're up by the middle.
They got a real slow melter on that rod. That's a fucking beast.
I don't think that's the weed, Andy.
It's moving the ledge, the ledge just bouncing along.
I ain't taking a lot of weed at all then. That's a beast.
It's a well dark bit. They're going to be a 40, you reckon?
It's come out. Might be. Where's the sling? I just had it.
Oh, shame that one on the carp rods, but sweet anyway.
Fishing, man.
Yeah, that's sweet. That was fucking
That's like
ripping
a triple
line.
pellet.
What's that bait do?
Triple pellet, that's mental.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Oh, fucking weed underneath your fish.
Oh no, don't put that down there.
That's got a stop knot.
This is a cat rod, isn't it?
Oh, of course, yeah.
You got the cats, where are the fox scales, boys?
Do you know where the fox scales are, mate?
You got the scales? They're in the middle, I think.
The other scales are down here.
Oh, the other scales are down
Down by the...
by these guys. Are they?
Mate, that's massive on the boilie.
That is tonk. No, that was on my one.
On your, what, the orange ones?
Yeah. Is that over the other line? Is that why it's
that's
not
a clunk.
in on it.
Is it in?
Yeah!
Yes! It's in there!
That's a clumper.
Chunk.
Take the net down, because that's a weak net, so fold it down.
Take Rod, let me get it.
Sweet!
Should we take it up where it's flat as well? Should we put it?
Oh.
Well, put it into the sling. Put it into that. Carry it in that. It's got a gut on it. Oh, that's a 40.
That's a bait. That's a chunk.
Here we go, here we go!
Oh, where's the waist again? Under it.
It's a chunk.
Get it in the mat.
Get it in the first. Might be like high 30 this actually.
In the danger
To the
zone.
guide now, single boilie, longer hook length.
In the danger zone.
In the danger
You
zone.
don't want to know what I was using before. I was fishing drop off inline before.
It was open, they were swimming around.
Yeah.
Pop off in line.
Yeah, was that
46. 46. Yeah. 8 miles behind now, son.
I reckon it's a 40.
There's your camera, Burg.
That's a massive fish.
40 exactly.
Yes! Exactly. 240
It's
for
on the
24 hours.
40 mark, yeah.
40 on the nose.
Don't get my camera off me. Hey, do you want to just fill that bottle up?
He just goes off the.
Oh, it's up the social. I've got mine bags.
Yeah, if you could, yeah.
That's a fucking, look at the fucking belly on that thing. That's a pellet number.
Did you see any other 40s done?
Yeah, sort of 42.
Just pull the waist thing out.
Having a shower and all.
I was going to say when you've got the camera, haven't you?
That's a fucking beast.
I've got a gut on it, double gut on it.
Right, nice and high. That's it. All that fucking banging, man.
What was it, £40 on the dot?
40 on the nose, I think, isn't it?
It's only a scrape for you.
Have a look at me, a bit more I know. Other side.
That's been mangled by a cat when it was younger as well. That was fucking melting.
With that camera, you want to have
You'll have to send me all the photos at the end of this week because
I'll
I'm
try and
thinking
turn it so
having
it's
too many cameras going off is a bit silly, really. So I don't want to have to wait a year and a half to get a video footage of freaking catfish they caught.
Tail up a little bit.
Oh, Team Burger! You fucking.
I need to be really low. That's why I like the live viewfinder because then I can you put it on live view?
No, not on that one. Don't lose it now.
Yeah, I ain't doing that though.
Mate, that's a beast. So fucking worth it.
Gone splash and not thinking.
Is that the other side?
No.
Proper double gut on it.
I'm gonna get that other side going.
Yeah.
Let tail up a bit.
You haven't got that reading now.
Nah. Old Captain 40 over there. Captain 40.
Holding his head towards me, straighten him a bit towards
There's
me.
a lot of photos. You can go through them all and take the worst ones up, can't you?
Got a major long thin pecs.
That's all. I was in the way of the video.
Lift the head up a little bit.
Hey, where you going? Where you going?
Sorry,
Right.
I want to get in the shot somehow.
Your head's in it loads. Everywhere I move, you stick your head in the way. Follow me.
You've got to get off the shallow bit and over in the deeper water. Put her head out.
Don't worry about getting wet.
Get one head on. Yeah.
Proper underslung mouth on it now.
Wicked shot.
You want to get out of that sill.
You want to have it out in that deeper water.
Fight harder than that, you bitch.
Ready for that, isn't it?
Oh, you boys, mate. Fucking hell.
That's halfway.
You could be on the number 1 and 2 swimming for carp. And fucking, you just never know with carp fishing.
You beasted that as well at first.
You've got to do
So
it.
you got to fucking play fish, mate. That's why I get called the bully. You got to do it.
You've got to do it. Man of my own style.
If you lose it, you lose it. I'd rather lose it from a hook pull than fucking lose it from getting snagged.
Yeah. Well, like I said, the boat's there, but it's better to get them away from it.
Seems a lot quieter today now than fucking deeps over there have gone.
I've never known fish to take so long to recover.
I know, it's like you've got
Oh,
a
no,
barbel.
because look at the low water levels. To be
Yeah.
fair. I mean, they fight hard, and a lot they all go back. Sometimes, if they can take a little while to come out. I've been in the water for about 20 minutes before with a carp, nursing it back.
Andy was
I
doing
don't
that
think
for
they're very
Duncan
healthy, the
first
big
night.
fish. They're pellet fed.
I was bandaging it up for about
Yeah.
20 minutes. Sticking scales back on it.
Waterproof antiseptic. I think that was the same one I had
Dunk,
earlier, wasn't
Dunk, can you just grab my phone?
it? It was the same one I had earlier,
Just
wasn't
grab
it?
my phone from the
That's
video.
what- and that's
Just
what you
take a
put it
quick
back
shot on
like.
my phone. Send it to me.
I've got thousands.
No, it's just so I can send one to my old man quickly. She's going to take a while to recover. I think it's in the.
They're not on. Well done, Andy. You using their barbless hooks again?
Oh, look.
It's better if they swim away afterwards though.
They're gone. There.
It's not Jaws. Gonna need a bigger boat.
It's like his swim bladder's struggling. Give him a squeeze.
You pierce them, didn't you? Let the air out. Fuck knows how to do it. I wouldn't know how to do it. Catch yet, so we've got a new live bait technique. Go on, Andy, show us the new live baiting technique.
Yeah, you got to get in.
You gotta get in.
He said he was going to swim. Dunk's in.
Big.
Yeah, that was basting at first.
Quite a bit long.
I was going for it was a cat. It could still be a cat, couldn't it?
It's not fighting like a cat. I would say the carp, mate. It's well heavy. Like it's, I don't know. I don't want to fucking big it up. It's not like that. Yeah, that dropped back. Did it drop right back? Did it roll right out there? Yeah, to drop the lead. 5 ounce dropper. I'll have to go in for this,
Who's doing the net?
I'll probably go and do it myself. Not something like
This
this.
is well worth doing.
Turn your screen thing.
Just like a fish of the day, Dunk.
Yeah, man.
36 earlier.
That's worked.
I don't think it's big. Just press them
I
up.
haven't done anything so far. It might be a pasty cat. Hasn't really come off the bottom. Might be a cat, you know.
We're about to find out.
Oh, the lead hasn't come off.
Some of the carp do that.
That's
Don't.
right up the line, isn't it?
Oh, that shit. That's not good.
It's a cat.
Carp.
Yeah.
The carp. I'm in a bit of a mare here, though. Definitely someone's going to have to help me fucking. It's not even that big.
Yeah, I'll come and help you.
Right, I'm at the maximum.
Where's the net?
Maximum rinse out. That's it, that's me done. I can't wind anything. I don't think it's massive. Making a meal of it, eh?
Yours is going. Adam. Oh, okay, I still can't think of your fucking name, sorry.
It's out to is it? It's quite big.
Big bent back fish.
Oh.
Yeah, nice fish, man.
I don't think it's a fish though.
Jesus Christ, that took a long time.
If you're on camera, Burgess, to film it.
That is an open fish.
The
Is
prof.
that what's his name coming?
Yeah,
Duncan's coming.
the proper mute, isn't it?
Came on the go, it's quite a word. Yeah, like you said, we've never caught a mooting before. Duncan's went and caught one.
Feels bigger than 33,
It's very short, isn't it?
34 pounds.
Just go up, get a tail up.
Proper twisted up thing there.
Is that mat in the way?
No, something on
Yeah,
the tail, though.
mute. Super mute. Dunk,
Alright, how are they coming out?
Dunk the super mutant.
Eh?
Dunk the super mutant.
I thought you said we cocksucking out.
You cocksucking out.
Lift it up, tail.
That's what happens when you catch them on a pellet.
They come out looking ugly.
How they
Get a flash on.
little button just beside the flash. There's something on the lens as well. Mashed.
Get it right up.
The other side worse.
Just
Tail, I need the
twisted.
tail up because it's twisted.
Nice one, Dunk.
How are they coming out?
They come out looking like an ugly mutant.
Alright, to cut to the other side.
Shit with a flash because of the water.
Hey?
Shit with a flash because of the water. It's because it's dark.
That's alright, no, it doesn't.
Yeah.
If they come out dark there, they're alright.
Get right up because that's how.
I've had one out of the Thames almost, it's exactly the same. So.
Was it big? Is that the one you was talking about? With the head twisted back coming?
Let's have a look at them.
It's pretty consistent.
3 fish for about £100, I think it is.
One more, and you equal the rest of us. We're all on 4 each.
Yeah.
Don't you want to get one on the phone?
Just going to get it clean off, really. Get in there.
No, don't bother filming this shit, that's what you're doing.
Who, me? You want me to go back?
Wait for it to recover.
Oh, you're fucking 30.
No, no, just...
I'll see you in an hour, Doug.
She's ready to go, isn't she? So,
We don't have any takes. If we don't catch it, we don't actually bother coming down. Oh, that was a fucking beast, that river. That's a fucking chunky fish though, man.
it's all at the front though, isn't it? Because of that bent kink in the back.
It was a bit like the top heavy common from Kingston.
Except that was a fucking low 20, it's a mid 30. And it didn't have a big kink back.
Mate, I hate this water.
Why?
What, I'm holding
especially with
basically a massive live bait.
Yeah, struggling. A struggling fish. You know? Yeah, that's it. You stood in there holding a struggling fish. That's you guys.
Nah, it would have been whopping, mate. The same happened to me yesterday.
Where's that sack of pellets? Anybody know? Behind the van. We used up new ones, haven't it? I think we used up the old ones between this lot baiting up last night and Andy sort of doing.
Nah, mate, there was a fucking massive. I think it's near. Rob was moving them last night. Give us some.
Put them up behind the car, said it. I covered them with the rest.
Alright, dude.
Need to get some more filming going, Rob.
Huh? You got the camera going?
Yeah, we've only done a third of one battery so far. Yeah, some for the cats. Mate, you've really got to give us some.
It's just a long time to be playing a fish. Oh no.
Rob, you've really got to clamp down on that thing.
Alright.
We'll let it run then. If he wants to go, let it go. If he needs to wipe me out.
It's got to be a can. Or a beast, or a carp.
You can clamp down a bit more on that, son.
You've got plenty of time now. I think we need gloves for this one, anyway.
Yeah? Really?
I don't know.
Could be big carp.
Done.
Big carp do fine hard.
Done a few wops and taken a lot of life at that.
You ain't really whopped that, is it?
Went on that run.
Really?
No, it's tough.
Long way out.
Might have pinged off that little catfish's silly little dodge.
Tail, yeah. Oh my goodness, what's going down here? There seems to be some sort of activity going down on the ground here, and it seems to be very strange. It's the nets, man. I'm getting cold, wet socks already. I've got 14 pairs of socks still, so fuck it.
That's where you got that run from, is where a lot of people
14
get
pairs
big
of
fish
socks.
I bought that 10.
This side of the rock, mate, is where the little mirror came from. And he caught
Right,
that
Nick, there's
bastard.
your aerial back, mate.
Oh, I've already got one set up now.
This is that time when my rod rips off.
Yeah, probably. It's the longest run there, isn't it?
Yeah.
My nuts, maybe.
Rob keeps doing it. If I catch one, he knocks it off, or I'm standing around him watching him when my rod goes off.
Yeah, I was slipping my arse last night almost. I managed to catch myself in my arm and realise how strong my fucking right arm was. I just feel the wanking.
No, I don't.
I don't know, it's only a little bit, that's not going to make a
Oh,
big
dear.
difference, is it? What's he got there? Is that not a whisker Kevlar? He's not even putting a bend in it, fucking hell.
I don't know, man. Give it
Come
some.
on, give me some skid, mate. Put it for
Stop
2 and
pissing
3
about with
quarters.
it.
Show you how to play a fish yesterday.
Not really fat surge if it is a carp.
It's going to be a carp. I felt it was
Drag
a couple of
set.
times.
Oh, it sounded a bit like the
Lady
eyes
chick
driving
blackfish.
through the eye.
Here it comes.
Turning like a cat.
Carp.
Carp. What? It's because he's playing on a light rod, man. It might not be tiny, it's going to go whoom 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 in a second, is it? No? Oh, here we go. Watch out. Ooh.
Oh, Burgess fucked it here.
Burger, try and bump it off.
He's in a little bit further, can't you? He's got his ankles wet, he might as well get in a bit further.
Big hump on his back. 30, isn't it?
Have a look, Burg?
Lump.
Is it? No. No.
That's great for 30.
No. Second run for Team Haywardians. High, Team High.
That was
And
about
fucking
20
half
yards
hour.
off the far margin.
It's 2 fish in half hour, isn't it? I had 33. Dunk's got one on now. It's our new t-shirt, I like that t-shirt.
And you got it for me.
Did I? I thought you would, I can't remember what it
Oh,
was.
masturbator, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Masturbator.
So, great video
Lads,
commentary.
somebody want to give us a hand with the net?
Great video
He just
commentary.
sits there doing oh, what the fuck?
Did it come up?
Swimming towards me.
Yeah, it's all down here, yeah.
Oh, it's going to go then.
No one's coming now, I should have said no.
Walking away from them.
Walking away from the run. Has it taken any line yet?
No. I've
It's
done
going to be a
anything.
beast. It's going to be a
It
beast.
just feels like a fucking lump.
It's going to be a beast. I thought Andy was coming to help, but he stopped and started chatting to Burger. I
don't think it's big, mate.
I reckon it is. I reckon it's going to be a lump. It's done nothing yet.
Nah, look at the head turns.
Fucking hell, man. December and January are filling up.
That's good.
3 bookings for January. I've got 1 booking of 5. Fucking for January. Fucking brilliant.
I might have won a trip while I've been away.
Huh?
Silent bidding.
Is it?
Yeah, telephone bid.
Ooh.
Hasn't done anything.
It's not a win though, it's not a competition though, it's an auction. So how do you work that one out?
Oh, it doesn't drop the lead.
It's in the net.
Oh, it's going to go mad on the
Yeah,
mat.
thanks up.
Mid 30,
Can you grab his camera, Randy?
mid 20.
You grab all the weighing stuff, mate. Is it mid?
Duncan skills.
Don't kill this one, don't.
Literally 26 river fish that hasn't a nice bar behind you. Caught out of it. Is that alright? Yeah, his tail's all kicked up. 26. Goes on the
Pellet muncher.
double pellet.
Oh, was it on the double pellet rig, was it?
Double pellet.
So we're having the pellet.
Swing on topper. Fished
Yeah,
about 1,000 yards.
Sweet on top of.
Underarmed it.
Alright, Burg and his team are trying to catch up now. And your crack. I've got your butt and your crack. No, this is on now, man, it's done. Damage is done. And he's lost more than 50% of his runs. So we're a bit wary about this one. Probably be a beast there in the big fish swim.
This was on the 50 spot, where he had that on 50.
On the beast spot.
Me and Duncan have been hauling past these this morning.
On the pellet as
Like
well.
they're going out of fashion. Yeah, it's all on the pellet.
Double pellet, mate.
There's 3 runs this morning, all on pellet, mate. If you're not on the pellet, Burg, you know what to do.
Why the shirt's off today? I don't want any filming of my beautiful temple.
It's too late, it's already on film, mate. It's already going on the fucking, on the porn networks when I get home.
Your tan line is atrocious.
It's all going on the fish porn. Come on, beast it, huh?
Is it a cat?
Yeah,
Just beast it.
that's a cat.
Playing it
Is it a
like.
cat, is it?
Yeah,
Nah, I don't know. I think so.
50
Big
cat.
carp, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a big carp.
This was right over in that bay.
Sorry?
50 spot.
Fucking weak of that.
spot.
Over in that
Weak.
corner over there.
Give me another,
You managed to get it out.
another chunk.
I'm locked up. That's why I didn't
We've
rip.
just started to catch up this morning. Still reckon it'll come off.
Come on, you pasty.
Oh.
Oh,
Come on, Team Burger. Not that big.
No, you've got to get amongst it a little bit more.
No, I can't go any further, mate. As soon as I step any further, I'm fucking sinking. I'm gone. It's deep enough,
Concrete.
it's concrete.
Oh shit, the lead's right up.
Yeah, you always keep doing that. You need to be dropping them leads. It's quite a
I
nice
did
bit.
try it. I did put it on loose, that one.
Oh,
that was
mega
right.
ping dorsal thing then.
Oh, that was the ultimate stab. The ultimate net stab.
Proper. Smash it.
30.
Yeah, 37.
Yeah.
I said Duncan's was
Yeah,
a
what's
30.
that? What's the nets? What's the, both the nets are looking kind of frail.
Did you buy that one yesterday?
To that. You want me to try and hook it first?
Yeah, that's what I got yesterday.
Well up for the job.
Right, Nick, what's it? Can you just unpush that from that bit?
Quiet guy. 31.
31.
Oh, how did you know that from behind?
Huh?
Just telling them
Yeah.
how much
I
points
can
they
tell
need
you
to
how
get in
much
the lead.
every fish is going to weigh. I'm the master. Are you getting wet for it?
No, I'll put it back.
You're not floating the craft in it. You're going to make me sit in the fucking slime.
We're 30 points behind, so let's have this. 30 pound behind, so let's have a 31. It's 31. Convenient.
Team Burger.
Oh, the battery's gone, Andy.
That's because you put the screen on.
Shit. I don't know how you turn the screen off.
Turn it round.